Okay, you have a phone full of pictures. You have old print pictures that you don't know what to do with. It's all disorganized and you don't even know where to start. Does that sound familiar? If so, I've got you. I know exactly what you need. I'm hosting an in-person workshop where we are going to learn everything you need to know, all the tips, tricks, apps, everything there is to get those photos organized. We're also going to work together one-on-one with your pictures and start getting that mess under control. Hi, I'm Krista Kay. I have my bachelor's degree in photography, over 25 years working as a professional photographer, and I have photographed millions of pictures, both back in the film days and in digital too. So being photo organized has just always been part of my job. I began helping people with their photographs after Hurricane Ian devastated my area. Floodwater came through thousands of homes, and with that, it took people's photographs, destroyed many, but I volunteered to help people to try to restore what we could. I learned through that process that a lot of people just don't know how to properly secure their pictures. They don't know how to digitize them and organize them and make sure there's a secure backup. So now I proactively work with people every day to make sure that their photographs are secure and safe. And that is why I started this workshop. I want everybody to have the tools they need to proactively secure their pictures. Get all those old photographs digitized. And even if you have a phone full of pictures, making sure they're backed up. Everything you need to know to make sure that your photographs are secure. The link is down below with all of the details you need to find out about the workshop. I definitely hope I see you there, and I would love to work with you to get your photos organized.